So we'll talk about the lever fixings first and what normally comes inside a lever box in terms of fixing. So you would have obviously a set of levers, then you have a little bag like this, and that bag will normally contain an 85 by 8mm spindle, which will normally do up to a 44mm thick door. We can supply longer spindles for more door thicknesses as and when required. You will have an Allen key, you will have the wood screw fixings, and most importantly you will have the bolt through fixings. Now, as I said, the bolt through fixings come to supply a range of door thicknesses anywhere between 44 to 54mm, but again, longer fixings are available as and when you should need them. Typically, the bolt-through fixings are normally fitted through the east and west holes on the inner, because these are the holes that pass through the lock case at 38mm centres, and the wood screws we recommend to be fitted to the north and south holes on the inner rows here.